Frequently, after we have resolved the issue of custody, the next question that comes up is child support. How much child support either will I be receiving or how much child support will I be paying? First, it's important to know what child support is actually paying for. Child support encompasses food, clothing, and shelter. Other expenses involving your children, such as childcare expenses, unreimbursed medical expenses, or extracurricular activity expenses, they are separate and apart from child support. So child support is strictly limited to food, clothing, and shelter. In New York, how it is calculated is through a calculation, mathematical, with regard to first determining what the gross income of the person who's going to be paying child support is. That gross income can be reduced or will be reduced by the amount paid for Medicare tax and for Social Security tax, which results in essentially about 92% of your gross income. From that number, child support in New York would be 17% for one child, 25% for two children, 29% for three children, 31% for four children, and 35% if you have five or more children. That is essentially the number that results in is the correct amount of child support. That is normally what is paid in child support in the state of New York. However, you can pay more and you can pay less child support, but you have to first instruct the court as to why you are doing that, what are the reasons, and the court has to approve that and approve those reasons for deviating from the presumptively correct amount of child support. There are also some custodial resolutions, like for example, if you have a shared custodial situation, that might open the door to a change in how child support is calculated.
Keith, Shapiro, and Ford, making our voice heard so your voice is heard.